You hit me!
Yay! Winning shot! Hello, hi, welcome, greetings, salutations. Olaf?
Ola.
Oh, Olaf. Day number 12. Probably the 12th video.
Sure.
Yeah, big milestone. It's gonna be a great day. I am so excited for today's craft project. You guys are gonna love it. Let's get right into it.
So today's verse comes from 1 John 3:18. Dear children, let us not love with words or tongue, but with actions and in truth.
I like today's verse. It's nice and simple. It's right there to the point. It's like all those corny slogans, right? Like, talk is cheap kind of stuff, but being actually biblically based. It's that our actions show our true love, not our words.
Yeah, another popular saying is actions speak louder than words. We shouldn't be just showing others that we love them only with our words. We should also be acting that out. There should be a response to love. We all know that God loves us and He says it in His Word, but what really makes it visible is not just that He told us that God so loved the world, but that He became man and died for us.
Right, absolutely. I think we've also said it like 20,000 times. One of the hymns that we sung at our wedding was "They'll know we're Christians by our love." And I think once again, it ties into a message that we're using. The hymn talks about how we'll walk side by side, about how we'll hold each other up, and it's talking about those actions, right? Like the words are going to be important, but it's talking about those actions and about how the world is going to know that we are Christians because of the way we are going to act. For today's fun slot, we are going to make some marshmallow catapults. Yes. Pew! They are really simple. We're going to do it using these really long bamboo skewers, but there are a variety of other ways for you guys to do it. Our way of doing it needs just these things you can see here. Marshmallows, we're going to use the rock solid ones to find uses of them since they're so big now and hard. You need some tape. And you're supposed to use plastic spoons. We don't have plastic spoons, saving the environment, so we're just going to use the metal ones and see what happens. We're actually using our little marshmallows so that we can use those to fire. At the end of this video, set up a target and we're going to see which one of our catapults can get closest to the target. Alright? Yep, it's definitely not going to be you. Then let's go for it. It's going to be really simple. You're going to need to start 3 bamboo skewers. Okay, and you're gonna need 3 big marshmallows. Yeah, they're rock hard.
While you get yours, I'll take mine apart.
You're actually gonna make it into like a triangle. I imagine yours will work better than ours because ours are rock hard and therefore once the hole pushes inside, it doesn't kind of like...
It's not forgiving.
Doesn't sucker back and
hold. It makes me think if you didn't have marshmallows, you could use something like Play-Doh. Whenever we do projects, just find things in your house that kind of serve that purpose.
Yeah. Step 1 complete. Now we're gonna need 3 more sticks, but only 1 more marshmallow. I mentioned that this is one particular way of doing this. You could also go to the description because it'll have the link to an actual website that teaches you how to do this. There's ways of doing it with rubber bands and popsicle sticks, but we didn't have any popsicle sticks because this is our home and we didn't have those in bulk.
If we were at work.
If we were at work, I'd have done the popsicle stick one. 1 bamboo stick went into each of the corners and then all prodded together into the 1 marshmallow up at the top. Okay? So now you're going to need 1 more bamboo skewer. This will actually be the last one that you need.
Oh.
Whoa, look at that one.
Yeah.
And this is where we're going to tape your plastic spoon, or in our case, metal spoon, and we're going to tape it onto the stick. Now, just before you do that, you're going to want to make sure that you line it up so that it's actually going to poke into the first tier. So you want to make sure that you're not doing it so close that your marshmallow is actually, your spoon's just going to hit your marshmallow. So you need a good bit of distance.
If you didn't have plastic spoon, you could also use a plastic fork.
Yeah, we had plastic forks actually. It didn't work quite as well as a spoon, so you might want to use a metal. Everybody probably has metal spoons at home. Surprise! You need an elastic band. I have one. We only could find 1 elastic band in the house, so
rubber band.
Oh, we're gonna use one of Kate's hair ties as well. See? Improvising. And it's really simple. Spread it out. put it over the top. Boom, that's it. Now, using this kind of like prison looking weapon that we've made here, it sticks through the rubber band in the back. So through this one end of the rubber band and right into the marshmallow up at the front.
Mine's falling apart, and that's okay.
And that's how it works. It's as easy as that. That's your catapult now built. Like we said, improvise. Our hard marshmallows didn't make this easy, so if Craft, you want to sponsor us for nice soft new ones, that would be really great. We're going to start shooting our target and seeing how it goes. We're about to start firing. We made our little target. 5 points for the outer circle, 10 points for the inner circle. I also made a modification on mine. I changed to using this plastic fork because I found that my spoon had like this weird bend at the side, which meant that I couldn't actually make it be stable. Alright, so I changed it out for a plastic fork. So let's go for it and let's see what it looks like. It smoked the ceiling. It didn't just hit it, like... Ooh.
This is gonna be the winner. Here it comes. Oh, maybe not.
My catapult is falling apart with these marshmallows. It's okay. It's alright. Here we go. Oh, that was nearly worth 5 points. Also, the whole fingers now came apart. Strangely satisfying when it fires and you're like, yes, successfully fired. Oh, this is gonna be the winner.
You hit me!
Yay! Winning shot! That was something, alright? My catapult, like, fell apart.
Yeah, yours fell apart. Like mine really held its structure, and mine was easier to shoot from the start. But I feel like yours did better.
When you guys hopefully make them and you use marshmallows that are softer, that might help. And Craft, when you reach out for your sponsorship, maybe we'll be able to do it again with better
Yeah,
marshmallows.
I think it was still fine with hard marshmallows.
Yeah, it still worked out fine.
It would have really worked Play-Doh.
But you guys should make one. You should make your little catapult, take a picture, a video, get it to us, whether you put it on social media and hashtag BeaverCross, whether you email it to us directly, send it via carrier pigeon, smoke signal, whatever you guys do, just get it to us and then we can put it on for you.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye!
Bye!